What are you smoking over there?
Cherokee. Right up there. Cherokee by the Country Squire. It looks like you're about to...
I'm about to open up a cigar that I've had down here. We have a few cigars, so I'm sure this is a cheap one. Romeo e Juliet. Romeo e Juliet. I don't know. Deluxe number 2. Hopefully someone in the comments sections can say something about how cheap we are.
Yeah.
And how we shouldn't be on the internet like they love to do. But I'm just going to do a nice, quick intermission here with the lighting of a cigar. Now, I'd love to get into cigars more. Typically, we're on pipes in this channel. And this one looks like it preserves the flavor a little bit by wrapping it in this. It looks like it says Cedro.
Oh, it's a freaking cover?
So it's got a nice sleeve. It looks like it's like cedar wood or something. It says Cedro on the front, so I'm guessing. And I'm pretty sure you're supposed to do this. You're supposed to light this to light the pipe. Or
really?
To light the cigar. I've seen that before, but...
We're about to catch this whole basement on fire.
Yeah, we're about to start a forest fire in the middle of winter. So I'm going to light this. And for your pipe, for your tobacco, for your pipe, for your cigar, specifically cigar people, follow Davidoff of London. Eddie Sahakian. Hopefully I got that name right.
Yeah, he really knows what he's talking about.
Great cigar. He's the cigar guy. And I'm just going to run through how to light a proper cigar, the proper lighting of a cigar that I've learned from Eddie Sahakian. I'm just going to take the cap off there. I didn't do that quick enough. This looks dry, to be honest. It's a little dry. Probably very dry. But we're going to be smoking it. So the way that he smokes his cigars is by... He doesn't do it really this way.
Dude, I don't know about this, man.
You know what? I'm just going to light it the way that he does it.
Just in case.
So he just puts the yellow part of the flame just to encompass the entire base, the entire surface of the cigar. So you get a nice even burn over the course of, I think, 30 seconds or so. He usually does it in his videos. You don't want to totally light it necessarily yet, until there's a little bit of redding around the corners. And then you have what he calls the virgin puff. And that is the purest of the cigar, that first puff or two. And we're coming along here. Getting a nice surface.
Look at that. I just watched it light red the whole way around. How's it taste?
Pretty good. I haven't had breakfast yet. So,
coffee and tobacco.
Some coffee and tobacco. Shout out to Eddie Sahakian. Now, let's move on to what we were speaking of. Hopefully, you took something from that, because I just learned this recently.